Alright, boys.
What's up?
Second weekend.
Weekend number 2.
Tennessee public land hunting.
Yep, we're up early.
Everybody's
Everybody's in a fantastic early morning.
super talkative.
Yeah.
But we are heading up to a piece of property that we've scouted some. I actually hunted it last week and got there real late, posted right after a thunderstorm. I saw a bird, but I couldn't get on anything, so hopefully they're fired up this morning. It's freezing this morning. When I say freezing, it's like 36, so it's a good 25 degrees colder than it was in December during deer season. But we are gonna go up and see if we can strike anything up, see if we can hear anything gobbling, and if not, it's probably gonna make for a long morning, but it should be a good one, especially as the sun comes popping up and get them fired up. But we'll see you out there.
We're heading out on a piece of public land right now. It's pretty chilly this morning. I think the temperature's about 38 degrees. We're hoping for a little bit of gobbling this morning, but anyway, we're gonna ease out a ridge here, listen, see what we hear. Hope to check back with y'all a little bit later, and hopefully we get a bird down. So we'll catch you. Yeah, at least get one gobbling. We'll catch you later.
We were just set up over on that ridge point. You can tell by me being out of breath that we've just looked up this side. Feel like the bird is off the backside here.
Towards the sun.
So we're just gonna try to work our way up this ridge here. You know, it may be stupid. Sometimes we get too aggressive and we know it. But I think all of us would rather screw up being aggressive.
We didn't do that opening morning.
No, not a bit. Not a bit. That was my fault. I'll take that one. But we'd rather be aggressive and bump birds or deer than not be aggressive and screw up and not even be in the game. So we're going to slide over, listen, maybe call a little bit, and we'll get back with you.
Got some pretty good sign right here. Some tracks. Tracks, and then we got a little dusting spot right here. Birds have been dusting.
Alright guys, we're gonna make this really quick because we've got a bird gobbling down behind us, but we kind of jettisoned to a different area of public land somewhere here in Tennessee because we got on a bird this morning but never could get it to fire back up again. But we just been kind of spot stock calling and have one gobble back at us, so we're fixing to go after it.
just dropped. There he is. Kill him. I hope I got him on camera, Jeremy. I couldn't tell, buddy. I tried.
I thought you were saying shoot him.
I was. Because I might just kill him, dude. I can't
look
find
at
him.
that.
The second bird was a jake.
It was.
I think it was too. Look at that, boys and girls. Hold that thing up, Jeremy.
Did you leave anything for your tree?
Probably.
You want to go back to it? Or you want
Yeah,
me to
we'll go back and get it.
I tell you
I'm
what,
gonna go get my stuff.
Jeremy, public land beard.
Look at that paintbrush. Guys, I'm not kidding. We've been on this bird for 2 hours now.
Yeah.
Every bit of. So we pull up. We hit another piece like 45 minutes away from here or so. And we got on a bird gobbling this morning and nothing. We couldn't get anything going. We got one hit one time and then that was it. So we were like, hey, got a spot over here. We've never even been on this property, guys. We got a spot we want to come over here and hit. And we rode through, we stopped, we made a couple calls and found a spot on OnX Hunt that was like, hey, that looks like turkey. And get up here and we make a call. And I hear, like we'd called a little bit and Derek and John were standing off glassing another area. I said, hey, I think I just heard one hit down here in the bottom. So we went and we made a move and we set up on him, called a couple more times and never heard another word. Then we get back over and come on the other side of this little stand. I mean, they're just sitting and hanging out in here for how long, Derek? A couple hours, hour and a
That
half?
hen went crazy.
I don't know if that was a hen or a jake.
Yeah,
Something.
that hen was pissed
But
off.
anyway, we hit it, heard a gobble, sounded like a jake, pretty sure it was a jake.
Better hang on there.
And just kind of a cut off call. Well then, all of a sudden, I get the old glass call out we got at the turkey show a couple years ago. Hit it and he hammered. Kept hearing kept sounding like they were scratching and everything. And next thing I know, Derek says, I hear drumming.
Yep.
I heard get ready. I'm hearing
You pulled
drum.
that pot call out.
Yep. Hit it a few times and there he comes.
But
Hold that thing up.
good
Jeremy.
Lord, yeah.
Hold that thing up. Let's
He's
see
a
that.
beautiful bird.
Look at that.
Hopefully I didn't break my phone when I fell. Y'all, I'll have to edit that out of the footage.
No, you gotta leave it in there.
Dude,
Oh
a
man.
vine took my legs out from under me, buddy.
Look at that. Nice beard. Good fan. What a day.
That was awesome, dude.
Guys, it is. We've been up since what time this morning? 4 o'clock this
I
morning?
got up at 4.
It is 11:20.
That's an
11:20.
afternoon bird too.
Yeah, I mean midday bird.
Doing 91.
Those are the exciting ones to me. I mean,
Watch
you get lucky sometimes, but sometimes you gotta work your butt off.
Yep.
Don't lie, boy, I can smell it on your breath. Step out the car, gonna put you to the test. I was walking that line like Johnny Cash. They looked in my trunk and found my Sire Mash stash. Told me to put my hands behind my back, watch a tow truck take away my Pontiac. Judge says, son, what you doing in my court? I told you more than once to show your chasing him no more. The prosecutor man opened my case and he nailed it shut. I got 90 days in the Wayne County Slammer. When a gavel came down, it hit me like a hammer.